What is up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. If you haven't seen my last upload, what we did was we installed the SPE intercooler piping kit on my 2017 6.7 Powerstroke. Look at that. So I have put maybe like a couple hundred miles on the truck with this kit, and it's been just about a week of me running it. So over the past week, I've been getting a bunch of emails, DMs, and comments asking how does this kit perform? How does it perform? Does it change the performance? Does it run good? Do you have any issues with the rubber boots? Do you have any problems at all? Any rubbing? Basically anything worth noting, positive or negative, about the kit. But basically the main question is, how does it perform? Do you notice any performance gains? So right away, looking at the stock piping stuff, you're gonna see that it's like way restrictive. And there's all kind of ports and stuff in here that mixes your EGR with your charged air coming into the intake plenum. And also this is the SPE upgraded cold side pipe. So the flow diameter of this is definitely improved over stock. But now looking from that stuff back to here, the outer diameter of this cold side pipe is 3.5 inches. It matches the outer diameter of the intake plenum in the back, which is super cool. It looks seamless, and it has been flow tested to provide maximum airflow. So on paper, your hot side pipe is bigger. This is the SPE hot side pipe upgrade. So that's bigger than factory. This is way bigger than factory. And that is also bigger than factory. And the flow test is way improved over factory. So on paper, it's going to read better performance all day long. But what I'm going to do today is basically just go out and hammer the truck and really just kind of run it hard. Do a couple like 1/8 mile pulls and basically just drive the truck obnoxiously, way harder than anyone would ever drive it normally. And kind of see what results we get. And also after that, I'm super pumped. We have a spicy new tune that our tuner sent us for the Supra out there. We're gonna flash that on when we get back, and we're gonna see what kind of difference that makes also. So we have a couple things going on today. This is where we're at. Going. Oh, so we were just under like 40 psi on the factory gauge. How you doing?
Not bad. How you doing?
I can definitely smell my brakes, so we were doing something. All right. Wow. Nothing like driving your big diesel truck like a sports car. So let's check our ending temps here. We have engine coolant temp at 172, engine oil temp at 183, and transmission temp at 192. Air intake temp is 141. And I'm gonna tell you guys this right now. As you've seen from that last clip, I was absolutely hammering the truck. It was, I had it in manual mode, so I was controlling the gears, and the thing was ripping. It is crazy that these trucks can be driven like that. I mean, I'm essentially stock suspension minus the leveling kit, and then massive 24x14s with some 35s, and it drives so well. It's crazy. I can't even believe it. But I'm gonna pull it in the shop real quick. Yeah, the shop. Hold on. Definitely roasted the brakes because they stink pretty bad, but hey, what are you gonna do? So I'm just checking everything over real quick just to make sure all of like the boots and stuff are in their proper position. The only thing I see that's a little funky here is that the cold side pipe kind of came off center just a little bit. So you see the off centeredness. See how this is the whole thing's kind of shifted that way, which isn't bad at all. That's just a slight adjustment. And I haven't actually like hammered the truck like that since I did this. So, I mean, I guess there's gonna be some kind of settling. I'm gonna reposition that now, but that is the only thing I see. All the other couplers and boots and clamps are in position. Nothing else has shifted. That is the only thing, which is super cool, which I mean, I'm glad that's an easy deal. Now to the performance aspect of the kit. Did I feel a difference? So performance wise with the intercooler piping, it performs very, very well. So picture this, picture your turbo trying to force air through a little straw. You know what I'm saying? And then picture that same turbo forcing air through something with a much larger diameter. What's gonna happen? More air is gonna flow. That's what's gonna happen, right? You think? Now driving wise, the truck felt strong. I didn't notice anything on the bottom end. And I only did first through third launches because I don't want to smoke the transmission just yet. So how did it perform on that test that I just ran? Absolutely perfect. Truck was strong, airflow was great, temps were optimum. But we're gonna get the SPE dyno set up here in probably about a week. So we're gonna throw this truck on the dyno to see what it throws down exactly as is right now. And then we're gonna do the bigger injection pump, bigger turbo, see what we can make. And I'm super pumped. We're also gonna throw the old Supra on out in the back out there in 30 shot. Which I am getting ready to pull that car in, and we're gonna flash that spicy tune on because that car is a boatload of fun. But anyways, guys, there is my hardcore test review. How well does the intercooler piping perform? It performs absolutely amazing, 0 hiccups. The only thing that shifted was the cold side pipe just that way a little bit. Easy adjustment to put that back where it needs to go. Everything kind of had to settle in. We were pulling some serious boost out there. Really hammered on the truck. The truck performs absolutely well. Huge shout out to practically Ford for making such a tough, capable truck. Also, big shout out to SPE for all the amazing stuff they do for the 6.7 Powerstroke. So there you guys go. Let me know your thoughts on the intercooler piping. Yeah, I'm a tuner. What? They're only E-tunes. I'm only flashing them on the... Well, they don't need to know that. All right, so in reality, I have no idea what I'm doing, and hopefully I don't mess up the car. First start, spicy tune. Wow! Wow. Wow. Wow.